a nearly new bungalow on a forested 9-acre lot, located in a sought-after area of Puslinch. Welcome to 6845 Wellington Road 34. Set well back from the road, this 2019 built bungalow sits in a private, wooded setting surrounded by trails and wildlife. A peaceful retreat and beautiful home. Inside, the main floor is bright and open. The principal rooms flow nicely from the kitchen to dining to living areas. Each of these spaces featuring large windows with forest views. This bungalow, built for easy living, includes 2 bedrooms and bathrooms on the main level. The entire home well thought out with beautiful finishes. The lower level is a walkout, ready for a rec room, extra bedrooms, in-law setup, gym, or whatever your lifestyle needs. Outside, the covered 20 by 18 deck is an extension of the home, the coffee spot, summer dining, or entertaining friends and family. Another bonus, this large double garage taking the cars, and the 30 by 60 shop taking everything else: projects, storage, toys, and trades. This property is close to the Little Trac walking trail with quick connections to Guelph, Cambridge, and the 401. It's country living with city comforts just down the road. To see this home in person, contact Alicia Boland from Remax Twin City Realty.